Hey guys, welcome to Pinoytubers YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube playlist using a laptop or a desktop computer. The first thing to do in creating a playlist is click your channel logo on the top right corner of YouTube, and then click your channel. Then when it's loaded, click Customize Channel. Look for the playlist on the left part of the site and then click it. Then let's start creating a playlist by clicking New Playlist on the top right corner of the site. Here you can see a playlist title, which is required, of course, and then visibility, which has a public, private, unlisted. Choose public if you want everyone to see the playlist. What about unlisted, if you may ask? Unlisted is only visible to people who has the link of your YouTube playlist. For this example, I'll just choose private since it is just a sample. And for the title, I will choose a sample playlist. And then click create. That's it. Here is your new playlist. If you have any questions, please comment down below and don't forget to click like and subscribe to Pinoytubers channel. See you next time!